I have never used a heated blanket before, but I have always wanted one. I have different levels of comfort and this blanket provides me with that. I especially love that I can regulate the temperature and that it has a timer that shuts the blanket off after 3 hours. The blanket is easy to use and wash and I love that I can turn it on and off while I am napping. I come home and the blanket is already heated and ready to go. The blanket is also easy to transport and store and it is the perfect size for me. I love this blanket because it is so warm and fluffy. I love the design as well. It looks really good in my room and my room is surrounded by windows, so it's difficult to find a blanket that is suitable for this room. I also love that it is machine washable and that it is ETL certified. I especially love that it has a 3-hour auto-off timer. This heated blanket is exactly what I've been looking for. It's not too big and not too small and the design is of high quality. The fact that it has 6 different heating levels is also a huge plus. You can easily use this heated blanket at home or at the office. I also love the fact that this heated blanket is machine washable.